Hey traders, Raghee here, and as we wind down this Friday, remember that we're seeing quarterly futures contracts rolling. So that means the futures contracts that only trade the March, June, September, and December month. They are rolling as of today. That's going to affect indices, that's going to affect currencies, and we're seeing some pretty good volatility in the currencies as June rolls out to September. So we want to be on the lookout for some gaps between the two contracts. And we want to look on Monday, because I wanted to pass on these pullbacks happening on the roll date in the euro, in the Canadian dollar, and in the British pound, because we might get caught up in that volatility. Let's capitalize on these on Monday. So keep that in mind. Roll date, June to September, volatility in the front month that was June, and then now we see activity going out into September. And think about it. If someone's got to close out a June euro futures contract that's long, they're going to have to sell it. Selling pressure as traders roll out of these uptrends going out into then September. And we might see some gaps, like I said, and we want to look at maybe some minor lows, a minor low pattern, or an inside day on Monday. And I'd love to see a candle that looks something like either this, really narrow, maybe a slightly lower low, or I'd love to see a candle that's sitting in, say, the lower third, definitely the lower half of the candle, today's candle, and is not making a lower low. That would be a perfect inside day. And that is what I want to focus on for a potential buy and a resumption of the trend, meaning I want to short the US dollar. We want to keep bearish on the US dollar, and that means we're going to buy euro. We're going to focus on buys in the pound, and we're going to focus on buys in the Canadian dollar. So 6E, like we have here, 6C, and 6B. And now we're going to go out to the U September contract. All right, so just a quick heads up. We have a brand new update on the Countdown Trader. So check that out, the 4 factors to day trade. And coming up next Wednesday, or I should say this coming Wednesday, I've got a webinar coming up on my day trading. We'll have the sign up for that soon, but just want to make sure you've got that on your schedule. It will be 8 p.m. Wednesday, June 16. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.